Welcome to Pioneer's Knowledge Hub.
Ever pondered about where the most humans per square mile reside on our vast planet? It's a fascinating concept, population density, and one that significantly shapes our world. It influences the distribution of resources, dictates the structure of infrastructure, and even molds the lifestyle of the inhabitants. From the bustling streets of grand cities to the quiet corners of tiny nations, population density is a key player. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 most densely populated places on Earth. Scene script. Occupying the top spot is the Special Administrative Region of Macau, China. This small but mighty territory boasts an impressive population density, making it the most packed place on the planet. Macau spans a mere 12 square miles, yet it's home to over 650,000 residents. That's equivalent to over 54,000 people living in each square mile. Now you may wonder, why is Macau so densely populated? The answer lies in its rich history and strategic location. Macau was a Portuguese colony until 1999, attracting a blend of cultures that still resonates today. It's nestled on the southeastern coast of China, a stone's throw from Hong Kong. This proximity to major economic hubs has lured scores of people seeking opportunities, thereby skyrocketing the density. Living in Macau is a unique experience. The cityscape is a blend of narrow alleyways, towering residential blocks, and glitzy casinos. The infrastructure is designed to accommodate the masses, with high-rise buildings dotting the skyline. Despite the density, Macau has a surprisingly efficient public transport system, making it easy for residents to navigate the bustling city. The lifestyle here is a fusion of the old and the new. Traditional Chinese temples sit side by side with modern megamalls, while street food stalls compete with Michelin-starred restaurants. Macau, a space where tradition meets modernity, stands as the most densely populated region on Earth. Next on our list is the second smallest country in the world, Monaco. Nestled on the French Riviera, this tiny principality packs a punch with a population of approximately 38,000 people living in an area just under 2 square kilometers. This gives Monaco an astonishing population density, with over 19,000 people per square kilometer. But why is Monaco so densely populated? It's simple. Monaco offers a glamorous lifestyle brimming with luxury and extravagance. The city-state is renowned for its high concentration of wealth, with approximately 1 in 3 people being millionaires. Its tax laws are also attractive, drawing in the rich and famous from around the globe. Add to this the world-famous Monte Carlo Casino, the annual Grand Prix, and the stunning Mediterranean scenery, and you have a place that is irresistibly attractive, albeit crowded. Monaco, a playground for the rich and famous, is the second most densely populated place on Earth. Third on our list is a small island nation that has made a big name for itself, Singapore. Located at the tip of the Malay Peninsula, Singapore is a tiny city-state. Yet, it's an Asian powerhouse. This island nation is roughly 3.5 times the size of Washington, D.C. Despite its diminutive size, it's home to a staggering 5.5 million people. This puts Singapore among the top ranks of the world's most densely populated places. What's the reason for this high density, you ask? Well, its strategic location has made it a melting pot of cultures and an economic hub. Its well-established port, thriving economy, and high standard of living have attracted people from around the globe. But how does Singapore manage such a dense population? The answer lies in its successful urban planning and infrastructure. The city-state has mastered the art of vertical living. Skyscrapers and high-rise buildings dominate the skyline, housing a large population within a compact area. Furthermore, the government's proactive approach towards public housing is commendable. The Housing and Development Board has made affordable, quality housing a reality for a majority of Singaporeans. In addition, Singapore's infrastructure is second to none. Efficient public transportation, well-maintained roads, and state-of-the-art facilities make life easier in this bustling city. Despite its small size, Singapore has managed to accommodate a large population efficiently. Rounding up our list are 2 places with contrasting cultures but similar population densities, Hong Kong and Gibraltar. Hong Kong, often called the Pearl of the Orient, is a special administrative region of China. Despite being only a smidge over 400 square miles in size, it is home to more than 7 million people. That's a lot of people in a very small area, resulting in a population density of over 17,000 people per square mile. The reasons for this high density range from historical migration trends, a booming economy that attracts job seekers, to the geographical constraints of being surrounded by mountains and sea. On the other hand, Gibraltar, an overseas territory of the United Kingdom at the tip of the Iberian Peninsula, is another densely populated area. Although it is infinitesimally tiny, covering just over 2 square miles, it packs in a population of around 30,000. That's about 15,000 people per square mile. The reasons for Gibraltar's high density include its strategic location, historical significance, and limited land area. With such high densities come unique challenges and opportunities. In both Hong Kong and Gibraltar, housing is a major issue. The demand for living space has led to skyrocketing property prices and innovative architectural solutions. On the flip side, high density often leads to vibrant urban cultures, efficient public transportation, and a myriad of economic opportunities. In Hong Kong, the bustling night markets, the iconic skyline, and the efficient MTR system are all outcomes of high density. Similarly, in Gibraltar, the mix of British and Mediterranean cultures, the thriving tourism industry, and the close-knit community are all a result of its condensed population. These two places demonstrate how density, while posing challenges, can also breed innovation, cultural vibrancy, and economic dynamism. It's a delicate balancing act, managing the demands of a dense population while preserving quality of life and cultural identity. Hong Kong and Gibraltar, while different in many ways, share the challenge and vibrancy of high population density. These 5 places have shown us how population density can shape a place. Macau's bustling gambling industry, Monaco's luxury lifestyle, Singapore's economic powerhouse status, and the distinct urban landscapes of Hong Kong and Gibraltar. Each of these locales offers a unique perspective on how high population density can result in both challenges, like overcrowding, and opportunities, such as vibrant cultural exchanges and economic growth. These densely populated places are unique examples of how humans adapt and thrive in different environments.
Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.